Hey guys, today in the shop I have a snowblower that will not drive, the wheels are not turning anymore, and I'm going to show you how easy it can be fixed when you have this specific problem. What I have here today is a Murray Pro Series snowblower, and basically when you push the drive lever, the machine will not drive itself. Now, a clue as to why this is happening is I found this bolt and the top of the bolt here underneath the snowblower. It actually fell out from underneath the belly pan. So as I suspect, this is going to be an easy fix for today. Now what I've done is tilted the snowblower up like this. Just keep an eye out for fuel leaks. The fuel tank is not too full in this one, so it's not leaking. If your fuel tank is full, it possibly may leak through the gas cap here. If it does, you can remove the gas cap, put a sandwich bag, retighten the gas cap, and it should stop the leaks. And now what you need to do is remove the belly pan. You'll need to loosen the two bolts on the top here. They are 3/8. And you can also remove or loosen the two bolts at the bottom here. And these ratcheting wrenches work really good for this application. And I'm going to remove this bolt at the bottom here. And this is quite greasy, so you can wear gloves if you want. And maybe some of you guys know exactly what the problem is, and if you do, it's the bolt that I just showed you is missing from the sprocket and the shaft over here. And if you move the wheels, you can see the drive shaft is turning inside the sprocket. So basically all you want to do now is line up the hole. And I'll be using a grade 8 bolt for this. You know it's a grade 8 bolt when it has 6 notches on it. It's a 1/4 inch diameter, and I'm using a lock nut. And this bolt I'm using today is 2 inches in length. Now just put it in through the hole with the sprocket matched up. And now you just want to tighten up the bolt. And now you can see that when you turn the wheels, everything turns together. And now the drive on this blower is going to work. Now the guy that owns this blower here got tired of the bolts breaking, so he told me to put a tack weld on there. So basically I just put a tack on the sprocket and the drive shaft. I didn't put too much in case I ever need to take it apart in the future. This way here it's going to last a lot longer. I've done this before for people, putting a few tack welds, and they never ever came back for a broken bolt. And if ever you need to remove it, you just grab your angle grinder with a cutting disc and you just cut the weld right here, and it comes off very easily. I've actually had to do that as well, so it's not too bad. And now you can reinstall the belly pan. And what you want to do here is make sure that the edges of the belly pan are on the outside of the frame of the blower, just as you see here as well. And then you need to install the 3/8 bolt down here and tighten up the one over here. And now when I even move the blower, it does sound different because you can hear the sprocket and the chains turning. When the bolt was broken, the sprocket wouldn't turn. And I'll start it up and just show you that the drive actually works. So all it costs today to fix this blower is one small 1/4 inch bolt by 2 inches long, which will cost you under $3. It may not always be the case, but if your snowblower stops driving, you may want to check under the belly pan to see if you have this bolt and to see if it's broken. Some other things you may want to check if the drive does not work on your snowblower are the drive cable, the drive belt, and the drive discs. There's a metal disc and one disc with rubber on it. And also make sure that the drive discs themselves do not have oil on them. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and you can see me in my next video. Have a great day.